Arif,
Yeah,
did you buy the coriander?
yeah,
Where?
it's in there.
Where is it?
Top shelf.
This is not coriander.
What is it?
It's kale.
Oh.
Hi guys, welcome to Kindred TV. It's me again, Erna, and today we're gonna do a What's in Your Fridge episode. So as you can see in the beginning, I really wanted to make coriander fritters for dinner, but someone bought the wrong thing. So now we have to resort to making something out of kale. And we're actually gonna make something really super easy with kale, and we're doing kale chips. So let's get to it. Okay, so the ingredients that you need for this recipe are just kale, olive oil, and salt. And that's it. Really simple, really easy. You want to pre-wash your kale. I've done that before, and you want to pat it dry. You have to make sure that it's really dry before you cook with it. You just need the leaves, so you want to remove it from the stem. You don't want to use the stem. The stem's really hard, and it's pretty much unedible. Now you want to add in the olive oil. So I've used about 2.5 teaspoons of olive oil. Coat it evenly and make sure that it's, thoroughly coated. So you preheat your oven at about 180 degrees Celsius. Bake it in for 20 minutes. You want to do this until the kale is crispy. Like you can tell, it would crisp up. Alright, that's done. And you want to take it out. Now transfer into a bowl and salt the chips. I'm actually using chicken salt, but ordinary salt is good. You can actually use any type of flavored salt you want, and you're ready to eat. Just listen to it. So good, guys. Who doesn't like anything crispy? Seriously. And what's the best part? It's healthy. Please do try it out and comment below. Let us know how it went. Don't forget to subscribe in the next thingo, and stay tuned and keep watching Kanduri TV.